should we read a book? How about today we read Maisy Goes on a Nature Walk? I love this book so much. Maisy books are the best. Okay. Maisy Goes on a Nature Walk. Today, Maisy and her friends are going on a nature walk. Maisy packs her bag. Hooray, all ready to go. Everybody meets at the park entrance. I'm so excited, says Tallulah. Me too, agrees Maisy. First, they visit the pond. Wow, look at that pond. There's ducks and flowers, birds, snail, ladybug. This bird says quack quack. Oh, and look, and there's a dragonfly. Wow. There are so many animals and plants living here. Charlie crouches down for a closer look. Let's see. What does he find? There's a turtle, a butterfly. What else? Oh, look, that's a frog. What does a frog say? Ribbit, ribbit. Oh my gosh, that's so silly. And fish and more fish. This is a newt. These are tadpoles. Tadpoles are baby frogs. Hello, tadpoles. Hello, fish. Hello, dragonfly. The animals who live in the woods are very shy. Who can you see? Who do we see in the woods? We see a bunny. Hop, hop. We see a deer. There's lots of deer. We see a fox. Wow. So many people live in the forest. Animals, they're not people. That's so silly. So silly. There are chirping noises up in the trees. Maisy spots a bird and her chicks. Look at all the birds in the trees. There's an owl. And look at all these birds. This bird has a worm. Cheep, 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 cheep. Here's the baby chicks in the nest. A nest sometimes is what birds live in the trees. It's kind of like their bed. Oh, and look at this. There's a little porcupine down here, hiding behind a bush with flowers. Maisy looks for insects, hiding under logs and in the leaves. The ants are very busy. All right, let's see what we can see here. Ants. All of these are ants. Look at all of those ants. Oh my gosh, they are busy. And then what else do we see? Worm and a ladybug. They're crawling on leaves and a stump. Oh, what's that? A beetle, a blue beetle. What's over here? Shh. A caterpillar. This looks like it's a centipede or a millipede. I don't think you've seen one of those before. They're pretty cool though. What else do we have here? A slug. Look, another blue beetle. Wow. And there's a green beetle up here. Wow. It looks like it's a lot of fun on this nature walk. All right. The next stop is the wildflower garden. What's that buzzing sound? Do you know what goes buzz, buzz, buzz? What makes that sound? Bees. Yeah, that's right. The bees are busy making honey. Buzz, buzz. See? Bees make honey because they get the nectar from flowers. They get it from flowers. Oh my god. And there's butterflies. They also get nectar from flowers too. Look, there's some all different kinds of flowers here. And this is like a bee's house, kind of. People make these for the bees so that they can put their honey there. Yeah. Using a magnifying glass, Cyril looks at the tiny creatures living by the flowers. What do we have here? Some pretty cool bugs. Spiders. And their spider web where they live. There's a ladybug that he's looking at under the magnifying glass. What else? There's a caterpillar and a grasshopper. Wow. Very cool. Eddie finds the perfect tree to build a fort. Maisy and Cyril collect little twigs. Charlie looks for branches and sticks. And Tallulah picks daisies for a special surprise. What a marvelous fort! Look at that fort! Made out of tree. There's a tree in it, and then there's twigs and sticks, leaves. Wow, that looks like so much fun. Surprise, says Tallulah. She has made everyone a lovely flower crown. Thank you, Tallulah. Look at their flower crowns on their heads, kind of like their hats. Out of flowers, that's so fun. And they're having a picnic. He has a pear. She has some juice. And Maisy has some apples. Wow. Oh, and he has a banana. Oh, I love bananas. What a wonderful day exploring outside. I love nature walks, says Maisy. Wow, the end. That was such a good book. Thanks for reading with me.